Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic REST Commander tutorial how to insert block. If you want to insert block in REST Commander, you can use the insert command, type insert, press enter, and browse your file. As example, I will use this file, click open, and then click OK to insert into your drawing area. Okay, this is the block. Okay, to insert you can type insert again, press enter, and then choose your file. Okay, as in here I will use this option, click open and click OK. Now it will be automatically insert into your drawing. Okay, that's it for a basic REST Commander tutorial how to insert block. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.